Hi everybody, this is Addie Frank with Prodigy Heating and Air in Leander, Texas. We are doing an unboxing video today of the REME-HALO LED. We are really excited to have these in stock, and we're going to open the box and tell you a little bit about how this product works to bring you healthy home air. Let's look at the outside of the box. I did want to show you everything and just kind of see what your first impressions are. All right, so it looks like on this side, they have a few features that they're showing you here. Whole home air purification system. Reduces airborne and surface microbials, bacteria, viruses, mold, smoke, VOCs, and particulates. That's a whole lot right there. And it also shows you it eliminates VOCs 2 times faster than previous REME models. So they are showing that they have improved their system, and this is their newest model. So let's keep going. All right. I like this interactive portion here with the QR code. Very cool, scan to view video. I wonder what that links to, honestly. So we'll have to check that out in a minute. All right, technologies. Automatic self-cleaning ionizers with carbon fiber brushes to reduce particulates, patent pending. Very cool. They give you some little highlights there at the bottom. All right, we're gonna take a look at the back. This is my favorite part, I think. I like how they have a picture that shows you what the product looks like. They've got some information here as well. It is the industry's first LED induct whole home air purification system that is both mercury-free and zero ozone compliant. That is really important, and one of the biggest things that you're going to want to look for when you're comparing specs for indoor air quality products. I like how they have it there as well. And they've got this awesome diagram here. So it does show you how it works and where it lays in your system. So this is a diagram of a basic ductwork system here. These are your coils. This is the untreated air. It's shown by these brown arrows in the direction of the airflow. It's gonna hit that LED light. Every inch of that air is gonna be ionized, shown by the blue, clean, healthy home air that's gonna go through your ductwork and into your home, and that's what you're breathing. And that's why a product like this is super important, getting rid of all the toxic stuff that you're breathing in. Let's open this. All right, I've kind of cut the bottom of it to make it easy to open, but here we go. So the first thing that you see is another box on the inside, and I like this where it says take a deep breath. Very cool touch. So you can see here they do use post-consumer recycled products for their packaging, which is awesome. This product is made by RGF Environmental Services, so that touch does show that they do care about their footprint. So we're going to open this box here. I'm just going to take it out. Okay. All right, so the first thing that you see, all right, so we've got your 24 volt wire, your relay. I'm gonna leave it in its box there. Okay, and you see some more information, which I love. Nice little handout. Has those same bullet points that were on the box. It also shows you your 7-year limited warranty and 4-year cell warranty. This is super important. Your warranty does get voided if it's not installed by a contractor. So please make sure, even though it comes with, these are the instructions, I believe, that you do have a licensed contractor install this in your home to not void the warranty. Prodigy is licensed to do this. This is why we've ordered quite a few. We've had a lot of demand for healthy home air products. This is what I love. This is actually what I've been giving out to my customers. It actually has a whole list of stuff that it does kill. We've got mold, tuberculosis, listeria, particulates. So that's like dust, dander, bird flu, MRSA, gases, and odors. That's an interesting one as well. Some people say that they have smells that linger. This can kill that as well. This here has all of the test results that they've done. And what I do want to point out is that it has been tested and approved for protection against the SARS virus. Those are viruses that are similar to the coronavirus, and we stand behind this product for that usage as well. We've got some more information here. This is cool, their sneeze test. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend looking it up. It is on YouTube. They've got a lot of videos on there. It kind of shows you again how it works in the ionization process in your ductwork. All right. This is for your installer. We've got your warranty registration card. They make it really easy with these QR codes, so I really like that. Don't want to lose any of these little pieces, so we're going to put the box off to the side here and get to the good part, which is going to be underneath this piece of cardboard. So let's go ahead and lift it off. Nice. So I do like how it is wrapped in plastic. Again, it has a little bit more protection coverings on it. So that's really cool. I don't think that there is anything else on the back of this packaging, but we'll look. Yeah. So this is the product. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic just so that you can see exactly what it looks like without everything all over it. All right, so we are going to take the REME-HALO LED out of its plastic covering that's in this box. I've still got it in the plastic covering. So we're going to go ahead and move this. Okay, it says to use this layout as a template. So after you remove it, you do want to keep this piece. So I'm going to put it back in the box. And I'm going to take off the plastic protective covering here. So this is the product. Sits in your ductwork, just like we showed you in that little diagram. It's very small and lightweight, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier, but you can see the light in here. I don't know if you can see it a little bit closer there. Very lightweight. So where can we install a REME-HALO LED? You can use these in your home. You can use them in your office. You can use them in a hospital or doctor's office setting. They're used both residentially and commercially. So if you own a small business and your employees are getting ready to go back to the office, this is an invaluable part of that aspect. You're gonna want one of these in your office. Likewise, if you've been at home the last few months, this is gonna be a great product for you as well. So who would benefit from this product? It's a really good question. And what I would say is anybody that you know who has asthma, allergies, a compromised immune system, people with pets, people who smoke, all could benefit from using the REME-HALO LED. It does kill viruses, bacteria, mold, particulates, and it makes your house smell so much better because it does also eliminate those bad odors. So there is no lose-lose here. You can even take it with you when you move and install it into your new AC system. So this is something that can move with you. It's not a use it and lose it type of a deal. So I definitely recommend this and stand behind this product. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video, and I hope to do a few more of these with more indoor air quality products that y'all are interested in. Again, this is Addie with Prodigy Heating and Air, serving the greater Austin area since 2018.